we can go across now to Sukirti, who sent us this report as the antigen testing has begun in Delhi. As Neeta was saying, for those containment zones and hospitals, the results of the antigen test are released within 30 minutes.
From today, rapid antigen testing has been started across Delhi. This will lead to an increase in the number of tests that are conducted in Delhi on a daily basis. Currently, Delhi is conducting about 7,000 to 8,000 tests. When this testing begins in full measure, then it will lead to an addition of 1,000 more tests per day. Now, what is rapid antigen testing? Nasal swabs are taken, and these tests deliver results within a span of 30 minutes as compared to the 2 to 5 hours that an RT-PCR test takes. So these tests are far more faster. Recently, the Chief Minister of Delhi had held a meeting with the Home Minister Amit Shah, and the COVID situation in Delhi was discussed, after which the Home Ministry decided that the testing numbers in Delhi need to go up rapidly. They need to double up within the next few days. The aim is to conduct 10,000 to 15,000 tests on a daily basis in Delhi. And as a part of this process, rapid antigen testing has been started. However, these tests will only be conducted in containment zones and hospitals. They will not be available for usual people. You cannot just walk into a lab and get a rapid antigen test done. So this will only specifically happen in hospitals and in containment zones, which are really the areas that the government is focusing at this point of time. In New Delhi with camera person Shashikant Jha, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.